that you think that would never work, but it does. So we play a lot of collar sleeve. Collar sleeve is an extremely offensive position. With collar sleeve, obviously one of our big goals is to look for an omoplata or a triangle. So obviously with a triangle, we're gonna get both of our legs around our partner's necks, right? Just like this. If though, we throw the triangle, but our partner does a really good job keeping this elbow in, and only one of our legs gets to our partner's back, we actually are not going to abandon this. We're not gonna let go, try to turn and frame, however they're going to be trying to pass. I'm gonna take my elbow and I'm gonna flare it out just like this. When I flare my elbow out like this and I keep the sleeve, if he tries to pass, he can't collapse my leg down. If my elbow though is towards my hip, now he can pass, and it makes it quite uncomfortable in my hand. When this gets worse though, and let's say your leg somehow gets passed over to the other side of his head, however it ends up happening, they're trying to pass as you're trying to shoot. So we're gonna keep the collar grip and we're gonna flare our elbow. We're gonna keep the sleeve right here. What we're gonna do though is we're gonna wait for our partner to start to try to posture up and pass. If they don't pass, you can do it a similar way, but I'm actually gonna let go of the sleeve, keep the collar and the elbow flared. I'm gonna come up to my elbow. When I come up to my elbow, I'm gonna look to take my right foot and I'm gonna curl it straight down to the ground, keeping my elbow flared, coming up to my knee. I'm now gonna take my knee and drive it in front of me right here, bringing my partner down. This looks like complete baloney until you try it. For more how-to videos like this to help improve your guys' jiu-jitsu, make sure you guys check out these videos over here.